Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about why reading is so important. Why is it matter? And today I'm gonna introduce myself first of all. I'm sorry. So my name is Leonard Ian Prastyo from 12C number 26. And me personally, I don't like to read a fable book, a novel, book that tell a story about animals, about prince and princess, and that kind of book for me is boring. I don't like it. Me personally, I like to read an educational book like this. Some of you guys probably think, "Oh my god, that book is so thick. It almost looked like a concrete." I feel you. Yeah, this book is actually so thick. It contains almost 600 pages, and it took me a while to finish it. So, why reading is matter? For me, the first reason is because reading stimulates the growth of your brains. What I mean by that is, when you read a book, don't you feel like your brain is focused to read that book? Your brain is thinking, your brain is active. So, do that all activities together, it make your brain's growth. It stimulates the growth of your brains. The second reason is because reading will give you a crazy amount of knowledge. Yeah. So me personally, when I read this kind of book, it gives me a knowledge about math because I love mathematicals problems, equation, and something like that. It's gonna give you another perspective of when you look to some problems. It's kinda different because book is gonna give you another perspective from the writer. And what surprised me about reading is because it's changed how you think about something. Because when you read a book, don't you feel like your mind is being open? Like, oh my god, this book is give me a new side of perspective and something like that. So, I believe that reading a book is a good sign of growth. It's good for your brain, and it gives you a crazy damn knowledge, like I said before. So I wanna change myself to be a good reader. I want to read a lot more book than I usually read. I read about probably 2 or 3 books a month, and I'm gonna increase that amount. Okay, so thank you guys for listening to my speech. I hope it gives you a lot of benefits. Thank you.